Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Path Trading Partners along with Bob Iacchino. So checking out Bitcoin, which did trigger this double top coming down to the 75.45 level, actually 75.43, and then nice little reversal off those levels. So that is all complete. Also done the GAN projection. Should these levels not hold right here, we're then watching 75.17 and 74.90 to 75.01. Really focus on this 7,500 level. Right now, what's interesting, and this is being very aggressive, but if you go down to a 1 hour chart, we have a potential double bottom. Now it's a little sloppy because of this hitch in here, which I'll show you. Let me just get on, see what the levels are. It's going to be a 2 target, not a 3 target, so you can't really use that one. You can use these 2 targets, and that would require a close or an extended move and a retest of 76.29, so it's not triggered yet. Then you'd be watching for 76.59 and 76.73 to the upside, but keep in mind this has not triggered yet. And let's switch back to the 4 hour, and it would actually trigger right where the flat moving averages are, so you know it's decent probability right now. Let's check in on the daily chart. Daily chart, let me expand it out so we can see what's going on here. Really just trading right at the 8 EMA right now. Can't make much progress through the rotation zone. When it rallied up before, it sold back down. So it's just sitting here trying to figure out which way it's going to break next. So we have the levels to the upside and the downside now. To the upside, 77.38 right now, and that's going to keep drifting down. So that's going to be the key resistance to the upside that it has to get above, especially on a closing basis. But on any rally, make sure at least as it approaches this level, you're moving up your stops if you're a shorter term trader. And if you have been picking stuff up and we start breaking below these key lows, start watching for the bigger pullback again. Switching over to Monero. So originally we had the 159 and 158.22 level. Once you spiked up to these other highs, I took this and did a reverse GAN box. Sorry, I gotta get to the correct level here. Oh, I hate when this happens. There we go. And I need to update these levels anyways. So reverse GAN box will just slightly lowered it to 157.83. Dipped down below that, but then bounced back up, closing just above it, retesting that level right there, waiting for and moving sideways. Now we have the 8 pushing the price down. So now we can go back to a forward GAN box and see our next key levels. So what does this look like? Next key levels lower, 154.42 and 152.56. We'll be watching for some reversals on a rally. We now have this prior support area, so support, becoming resistance. So first level of resistance is 158.20, and then the top of the resistance band is going to come on at the top of the declining rotation zone, 160.60 area. Let's switch over to that daily chart, see what this looks like. So again, back below the rotation zone on a daily, lots of weakness coming in here. The 8 EMA, which is very important on the daily, is coming in about 160.93. We already mentioned 160.60. That's the area I'd just be focusing on. For any rally up into that, that's going to be major resistance. You see this 154.42 is some minor support in there, and then if we break that and hit this 152, that ties into these lows right here, and if that breaks, then I'd be watching for a return to the lows. So we have for you on Bitcoin and Monero, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.